are live. Very happy Monday. Sir, it's been a while since I cut them. Let's see what I got. Pencil. Give me a second. Aaron is not here. Should be helping me. How about now? You back? There we are. Alright, get a pencil. Aaron is not with us. Next moment. Yes, sir. Big piece of wood. That profile. I'm not going to cut as deep on this one. Something like that. I do appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thank you very much. Just trying to get back into the swing of things here, so I can show you real quick on the back side what we got going on. But kind of taking notes, taking inventory of what I did not get to finish last year. I got plenty to do. So there's a bunch of, can I zoom in? Oh, I can't zoom in. Oh, there we go. There's a bunch of surf right there. So, yep. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in once again. Thank you very much for following along. A very happy Monday. High head surfs. Boom. Thinking of you we are. Thanks for taking the time to tune in.
Pitboss life has its ups and downs. Shooting those diving ducks, bobbing We're thankful for